Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. I hope you understood how to find the angles. If one of the angle is given, how to find the remaining angles by using the property of angles formed by the parallel lines. Now see here in exercise 2.2. See the first question. In first question what you have to do? Choose the correct alternatives. But for choose the correct alternatives, you have to find out the answer. Here in first question what you have to find out? Find x. Let's see exercise 2.2 which depends on the angles formed by the parallel lines. You have to use the property, three properties: corresponding angle, interior angle, angles in a linear pair, vertically opposite angles and interior angles. These properties you have to use and find out the answer. Now in first question two angles are given, you have to find out the value of x. Now see here student, to find x, which type of angles, what is given? Line M is parallel to line N, that is given. Now these are which type of angles? Interior angles. Now interior angles are supplementary. So you take 3x plus x equal to 180. Which type of angles? Interior angles. Always write down the reason. For each statement you have to write down 3x plus x, 4x equal to 180, and therefore x equal to 180 upon 4. How much? 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. You get x equal to 45. So what is your answer? X equal to 45. Now in second, here one of the angle is given 4x, here also one of the angle is given 2x. You have to find out the value of x. What you have to find out? Value of x. Now these here 4x, let this angle be p. You have to take one of the angle as p because these are which type of angles? Corresponding angles. And then you have to take angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair. Adjacent angles are said to be angles in a linear pair. So first what is given? Line A is parallel to line B. That is given. So 4x equal to P. Which type of angles? Corresponding angles. And then you have to take, now it is 4x, therefore P is also 4x. And then these two angles are angles in a linear pair. So 4x plus 2x equal to 180. 4x plus 2x equal to 180. Angles in a linear pair. Angles in, now 4x plus 2x how much? 6x equal to 180. And x equal to then 180 upon 6. What you get? 30 degree. So what is your answer? 30. If the angles are given in the form of x, you have to find out first x. Now here x is 45. If you want to find this angle, means 45 multiplied by 3, you get this angle. Now here this angle is how much? 2x means 2 into 30. 4x means 4 into 30. You get these two angles. So which property we use? First corresponding angles. Below the line, here also below the line. And then angles in a linear pair. Now see the second question. In second question, what is given? You have to find out x, y, value of x and y. Value of x, y, a and b. Here, two angles are given. And what is given? Two lines are given parallel. Now see the which lines are given parallel? T, S, P and Q. Here P, Q, T and S. So line P is parallel to line Q. That is given, and you have to find out the value of y and x. So for finding value of y and x, you have to take A and B, these two angles. Let these angles be A and B. Because these first you have to find out this angle, then you get x. First you have to find out B angle, then you get y. Directly you can't get the angles, so you have to take A and B as one of the angles. Now see here 40 and A. Which type of angles here? T is a transversal. T is a transversal and therefore A is equal to 40. Which type of angles? Corresponding angles. So A is 40. Now these are which type of angles? Angles in a linear pair. So you take A plus X equal to 180. Linear pairs. Angles in a linear pair. Now A is 40. X you have to find out equal to 180. And therefore X equal to 180 minus 40. How much? 140. So first you get X equal to 140. Then you have to find out Y. So here it is 70. It is B is also 70. Which type of angles? Vertically opposite angles. B is equal to 70. Vertically opposite angles. Now B is 70. Now Y and B which type of angles? Interior angles. So interior angles is 180. So angle Y plus angle B is equal to 180. Which type of angles? Interior angles. Now Y you have to find out. B is how much? 70 is equal to 180. And therefore Y is equal to 180 minus 70. What you get? Y is equal to 110. This way you get the value of X and Y. First, angles in a linear pair, corresponding angles, then angles in a linear pair. Here vertically opposite angles and then interior angles. You get the value of X and Y. So students, these examples are very important. Write these examples in your copy and complete the homework. Thank you and have a nice day.